Sherilyn is just telling the kids that they're getting their pony rides on the little pretend pony.
Oh no! Real ponies!
Oh, so you need some shoes, guys?
Oh, awesome! That's awesome!
Oh my! In the garage!
Can't believe.
Were you guys disappointed about my pony ride?
No. Be grateful.
Oh!
But a real pony is better, but okay. That should do.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. I see the horses are down there. They look like unicorns. That one is ponies! Oh my god. Unicorns! Unicorns! They're white. They're cutie marks. What the? My Little Pony.
Yeah,
They
My
got
Little
the same
Pony.
ribbons in their hair as you? Oh, you took yours out.